Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
First, connect two controllers to your Xbox console and verify power and pairing. Next, sign into two separate Xbox profiles on the console before starting Fortnite. Each player must have an Epic Games account linked to their Xbox profile for progression and teaming. Use a wired controller or ensure batteries are fully charged to avoid disconnections during play. Also, confirm your console is online and Xbox Live Gold is active if required for multiplayer. Launch Fortnite from the Xbox home screen after both profiles are active on the console. In the lobby, switch your game mode to one of duos or squads because solo does not support split screen. Have the second player press the button on their controller to join the lobby when prompted on the right side. Confirm the second avatar appears in the party slots and check their name tag before you queue to start the match together. Once split screen is active, adjust HUD scale and brightness in settings for comfortable viewing on each half of the display. Use a headset or Xbox Party Chat for clear communication and callouts while sharing screen real estate. If the second player cannot join, reconnect controllers, relink Epic accounts, or restart Fortnite and try again. Ensure your game and console firmware are updated to the latest versions to avoid compatibility issues or connection drops.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.